Hi friends, it's Daphne. Okay, so we're in my kitchen. I'm gonna show you something I've been trying to figure out forever. How to make crispy wings without actually frying them. Well, I found the secret to that, and that is called baking powder. So baking powder basically dries out the chicken, making it very crisp when you bake it in the oven. So you get the crispy wings without all the fat. So what you wanna do is you wanna start out with about 15 wings, and you wanna make sure the wings are all dried out. You can either put them in the fridge overnight to dry them out, or if you're short on time, just pat it down with a paper towel and take out all the moisture that's in the wings, just like this, okay? And that will take out all your moisture because you want it dry before you put your coating on. Then what you want to do is you want to take, for 15 wings, you want to use a half a tablespoon of baking powder, put it in a bowl so you create a mixture here. So a half a tablespoon, right there. And then you want to put a quarter teaspoon of salt. And you don't have to be accurate on this. The bottom line is what you want to do, you want to lightly coat the chicken so it spreads evenly, and that the chicken has a little bit of this mixture. So we'll do that. And then you wanna mix this all up so it's all mixed together. Then what you wanna do is you wanna pour the mixture over the wings. So I'm gonna get my hands a little bit dirty here, and it's okay because you can always wash your hands. But you wanna get this coating evenly over the chicken in every piece. So it's just lightly coated, just like that. And then what you wanna do, let me wash my hands real quick so we're not getting any salmonella poisoning. And then what you want to do after that is you want to spread it evenly on your pan, and you want to preheat your oven to 250 degrees. So preheat your oven to 250 degrees, spread this out evenly on a pan, put some foil down, maybe a little bit of oil because these wings will really stick to your pan, and put it in the bottom shelf of your oven for 30 minutes at 250 degrees. Then after that, you want to heat up the oven to 425, stick the pan in the middle shelf, and cook them up for another 40 minutes. Now, for the sake of the fact that we are doing this on video, I already have these made. So this is what your wings are going to turn out looking like after you've put them in for 40 minutes at 425. Now I want to show you how crispy these are. Listen, you ready? You hear that? That's some crispy wings. Then, obviously, you don't have your hot sauce on this. You want to create your own homemade hot sauce. You can Google the recipe. I use sriracha sauce, a little bit of vinegar, some fish sauce, and some garlic, and I mix it all up, and these are my final product of my wings. So, as always, I appreciate your time, a simple solution, and a healthy meal without breaking the bank. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper. I'll catch you next time. Thanks for tuning in.